Bonjour, I'm Hina from evidyarthi.in and in this session we'll do his and her in French. So how to say his and how to say her in French. इस सेशन में हम his और her French में क्या होता है वो करेंगे. तो his को क्या बोलते हैं और her को क्या बोलते हैं. We have two words for his or her in French. It is son and sœur. Son and sœur. But it is wrong because son does not mean his and sœur does not mean her. Because the form of son and sœur do not depend upon the gender of the owner but the gender of the thing or object. ये हमने possessive adjective जब किया था तब भी ये किया था कि son और sœur owner पे depend नहीं होता, son और sœur thing पे depend होता है. It will not depend upon the owner who own it, but it will depend upon what owns. Okay, so what is the gender of the thing, what is the gender of the object, according to that will depend what to use son or when to use sœur. So it will depend upon the gender of the thing. For example, the rule number 1 of son, how to use son is with masculine, with the object, masculine object. So we use son when we have the masculine object. For example, livre. Livre is a masculine object. So son livre, and son livre can be his book or her book. So it will depend upon the gender of the object. So son livre can be his book and it can be her book. Next is son arbre. Son arbre. So son arbre can be his tree or her tree. His tree or her tree. So we use the son with the masculine object. And we also use son with the feminine object when with vowel and plucked H. When the word is started with a vowel or with the plucked H, we use son. For example, son école. Son école, which means his school or her school. And son horloge, which means his watch or her watch. So son can be used with the masculine and with the feminine with vowel and a plucked H. Now what about sœur? Sœur is used with the feminine object start with a consonant. So it will use for the feminine object starting with a consonant. For example, sœur classe. Sœur class, and it can be his class and her class. Class is feminine ending with E, so his class and her class. So his or her in French is not son and sœur because son and sœur will depend upon the gender of the thing, not on the owner. If you want to revise all this example once again, you can download from the link below. Merci, à bientôt, c'est fini.